Hi, welcome to another video from Spartan Blade Gadgets. Today the gadget to unbox is Apple Airtag keychain case with strap. Package is made of padded envelope and it is properly sealed. The parcel contains one nylon strap and an Apple Airtag case. The quality of keychain is very good. It's hard, sturdy, anti-scratch plastic. As it came without manual, so first I tried to open with force, but later I realized that it will open by twisting both sides in opposite direction. Airtag fit in the casing like a glove. It was neither very loose nor tight, but a perfect fit. This Airtag case is made of high-quality PU plastic, which is durable and wear-resistant. It can protect your Airtag from scratches and bumps. The high-quality nylon strap fits well and can be attached anywhere. Would recommend for bags and suitcases. The Apple Airtag holder strap is designed with a unique Apple logo, which can be easily worn on handbag, child school bag, dog leash, or other small items. Thank you for watching. Please support by subscribing to my channel and like on my video, and I hope to see you around.